Hello, this is Enrique Vasquez.
And Jorge Gomez.
And we're real estate advisors with Cobanco Riveras. And today we're very happy to announce one of the most exciting properties in today's market.
Very exciting indeed. So we are in Cascadas, which is one of Pedregal's most luxurious condominium projects available. And today we're going to be touring Unit 732, its penthouse.
So, are you ready? Let's go take a look. Thank you very much for watching this video. We really hope you liked it.
If you want to learn more about this property, feel free to contact us in the links below.
See you next time. Bye.